What's up, everybody? Welcome to my shower. I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine to remove product buildup because I do have really bad product buildup in the front of my hair, and I'm also going to be showing you how I prep my hair for straight hair basically and how I detangle and everything. So you guys going to see that in this video. Please be sure to give a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Also guys, don't forget to take out every single twist from your mini twists unless you're going to have a tangled mess on your hair, because I apparently failed to do so. Alright, so as you know, I am doing the 30-day hair growth challenge, and I told you guys I would be using the Natural All Club hair growth serum, and this flavor is in orange, or I should say scent is in orange because you can't really taste it. So I'm just going to coat my hair with that. And I've been applying that oil every 2 or 3 days when I had the mini twist in. Now you're going to see me using the Garnier Whole Blends Coconut Oil and Cocoa Butter Frizz Control Shampoo. That is a lot. Lately, I've been using the Garnier Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner, and I've been loving it. Legit, just loving that stuff because the shampoo, it lathers as soon as you put it on. And once you like rinse it out, your hair is not dry or anything. It just feels so moisturized. Like, I honestly can't even explain like everything about the shampoo. Like, it smells great, it leaves your hair moisturized, it lathers, it cleans, like legit, it's the bomb for only $3, y'all know I like to ball on a budget and products are expensive, so this is a really good alternative to some of the expensive hair products. Basically what I'm trying to say is, like, a lot of the more expensive hair products or hair shampoos, they don't really clean as good as they honestly should, and you're spending all of that money. So I feel as though, why should I spend all of that money for a brand product when I can just go to Garnier and spend $3 and get my hair nice and clean and soft and everything. Alright everybody, so this is the second shampoo. As you can see, I do use the tip of my fingers to scrub my scalp. I also use my nails just because, like I said, I do have product buildup. My hair has been in mini twists for like 2 weeks or a week and a half, so I'm trying to lift all of the dirt within the second shampoo. Also, you're gonna see me using my, what is it called, my vibrating massage brush. There we go. You're gonna see me using my vibrating massage brush, and this thing is bomb. I use it every time I feel like I have a lot of product buildup or I used a lot of product during that week. So this brush is pretty good. I think I got mine off of Amazon, but that's really unnecessary right now. And I'm just gonna scrub my hair or my scalp over to remove that buildup, if that made sense. Yeah. Alright, so onto the conditioner. As you guys will see, I am pretty generous with this conditioner. I'm gonna go a little overboard, just a little bit. Like I said, guys, because this conditioner is only like $3, it doesn't hurt to use a little bit more than necessary. So I kind of, yeah, just put it all over my ends of my hair and then on top, and just work that in. You don't really want to work that onto your scalp because you just cleaned your scalp and you don't want more product to build up on your scalp, so you kind of want to avoid that. So just go along the length of your hair and on your ends, make sure everything is coated, so that way when you detangle, it's not as hard or as strenuous as it would have been. Alright, as you can see, I pulled the wide tooth comb out of nowhere. So now it's detangling time. So my little trick to detangling is I would put the conditioner on first, and then I would dip that hair. Then I'm going to detangle in the water so that way it kind of softens it. Like I said, this conditioner and this line basically is pretty good with cleaning and conditioning, so it does make your hair really soft. So you don't really need that much effort when detangling, but because my hair came straight from the mini twist, I didn't comb it, I didn't do anything to it. It kind of was a little bit more tough to detangle this time around, but any other time coming from a wash ago and something, it's super easy. Alright, so I honest to God did not really pay close attention to this bottle. I really thought it was a deep conditioner, but it turns out it's a leave-in conditioner. But we're going to treat it like it's a deep conditioner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply that all over my hair, and what I'm going to do different this time for detangling is I'm going to use my diamond brush because that kind of like get the smaller knots and things out without really pulling my hair. Also, it's great if you're going to do a wash and go because it clumps your hair together, it also defines and everything. So I'm just going to be using my diamond brush to do all of that, and as you can see, it just glides through. A little resistance because the product isn't as slippery as I thought it would be, but it's a little resistance, but it does the job. Alright, so once the detangling is done, you just want to make sure that you remove all of the product from your hair, so the leave-in conditioner or the regular conditioner. Like I said, I am straightening my hair, so I don't want my hair to be weighed down by products, so just make sure you remove that pretty good. that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you my wash day routine and how I remove product buildup and also how I detangle my hair. That's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe.